And here I have an iPhone 12, and this is Ailun, the glass screen protector. I've gotten these before. Really a great product. 9 hours, keeps everything super protected, keeps your phone super protected. So let's put it on. So everything in the pack, you get wet wipes, dry wipes, and then your stickers that will help with installation, as well as your glass protector that you're putting on. So it's got the sticker on there, but this is a 3-pack. So whenever this one goes bad, which will take a long time because I've had them before, it usually takes like a year, 2 years before you even have to replace it again. But it has everything you need. Let's put it on. Here's the wet wipe. And it's not too wet, it's just enough wet to get any excess dirt or oil or anything right off the screen. Then you'll use the dry wipe to make sure the screen is completely dry. Doesn't have any of the cleaner or whatever may be on there. Still an extra step to get it super clean. Then we'll take this sticker that says dust absorber, and we can dab to remove any dust particles. Then we're ready to put the protector on. So peel off this back part, and then we'll slowly line it up just like that, and then tap the center. You can see it kind of all connect, and then all you do is rub it out, and there you go. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see it right there on the edge, but it's protecting that screen from any cracks or drops. If you have any other error, just push that out. So yeah, for sure, very happy with this product. The glass screen protector protects very well. Now I just need to get a case and I'll be good to go. But these screen protectors are very nice and very good. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up some of these.